Welcome to our guide on Lenovo Laptop Optimization 2025. Today, we'll explore the latest enhancements and tips for maximizing your laptop's performance. In 2025, Lenovo has introduced significant hardware improvements and software integrations designed to boost your laptop's capabilities. Let's configure your system with optimal settings to further enhance the performance of your Lenovo laptop. With Lenovo Vantage, you have powerful tools for monitoring and maintaining your laptop's performance. Let's see how they work. We'll discuss effective battery management techniques that help extend battery life without compromising on performance. Upgrading your RAM and SSD can lead to a significant performance boost. Here's how to do it safely and effectively. Regular software updates are crucial. They keep your Lenovo laptop running smoothly and enhance security. We'll explore some effective performance tools and third-party software that can assist in optimizing your laptop. To keep your system clutter-free, let's discuss the best practices for disk cleanup and regular maintenance. In conclusion, optimizing your Lenovo laptop involves a mix of hardware upgrades, software management, and regular maintenance strategies. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.